Amity University has multiple campuses across 11 Indian cities. Today we will discuss why Amity Kolkata, with an overall rating of 4 out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com, is preferred choice for BTech students, starting with 3.3 rated placements. The highest average package offered to a BTech student so far has been 32.5 lakh per annum made by Amazon. According to recent student reviews, the average salary offered is 7 lakh per annum. Compared to the city's other institution, the University of Engineering and Management Amity Kolkata offers marginally lower average package. Students share that the university provides 80 to 90% of the placements with an average salary of around 6 lakh per annum. Top recruiters include Microsoft, Google, Deloitte, EY, Volvo and several others, offering roles such as data analyst, software engineer, quality control manager, sales manager and more. The university provides internships as well. Amity Kolkata offers BTech programs across multiple specializations such as computer science, mechanical and automation, artificial intelligence, civil, biotechnology, and electronics and communication. To be eligible for the BTech program, candidates must have passed class 12th with a 55% aggregate in PCM and a qualifying score in the Amity JEE. Candidates with top scores in JEE are given preference. The total tuition fees for BTech program can range from 7.5 to 10 lakhs based on one's chosen specialization. Compared to Amity Kolkata, UEM is more affordable. To ease the financial burden, scholarships are awarded based on 10+2 merit. Students achieving over 93% receive full scholarship. Shifting gears to the 4.7 rated infrastructure. According to student reviews, the university has a well-stocked library. Classrooms are equipped with modern amenities and are spacious. Students also appreciated the hostel facilities, which include a common room with a TV, RO system, AC, geyser and medical facilities. The campus features an auditorium, cafeterias and seminar halls as well. The laboratories at Amity University Kolkata are equipped with advanced technology and specialized equipment supporting a wide range of fields including engineering, computer science, physics, chemistry, communication, social sciences, fashion technology, hospitality management and more. Some of the specialized labs include sustainable material synthesis, virtual reality and augmented reality, geospatial information systems, plant tissue culture, non-destructive testing among many others. The campus also provides diverse sports facilities. The amenities include a multi-purpose sports ground with basketball, table tennis, volleyball and badminton courts. Outdoor fields cater to tennis and football enthusiasts. The swimming pool facilitates lap swimming and aquatic fitness classes. Additionally, there is a multi-purpose indoor sports complex for larger events and sports competitions. Moving ahead to the faculty and course, which is rated 4.1 stars. Students share that 90% of the faculty members are PhD holders and many have postdoctoral experiences. They are drawn from institutions such as IIT, University of Calcutta and some from institutions abroad. The course curriculum is relevant and prepares students for the industry. The university also conducts industry visits along with providing robust hands-on experience in labs. As per reviews, maintaining 75% attendance is mandatory for appearing in exams and students with 100% attendance receive an additional 5-mark bonus in exam. The university has established partnerships with several national and international institutions such as Keimyong University, Daegu, Korea, Bombay Hemp Company Private Limited and several others, offering students ample exposure. The university also hosts multiple industry-relevant guest lectures for students. Lastly, talking about the campus life, which is rated 4.5 by students. The university has 2 student-run clubs, the Environmental Club and Wellness Club. The Environmental Club organizes activities around key environmental days like Earth Day, Ozone Day, including educational workshops, Nukkad Nataks and tree planting initiatives. The Wellness Club prioritizes individual well-being by promoting healthy habits, hygiene practices, health checkup camps, webinars and advocating for healthy food options on campus. The university hosts multiple cultural, academic and sports events throughout the year. Amity University Kolkata also hosts its annual cultural fest. For more details on Amity Kolkata and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.